Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make e-commerce videos in Dreamface. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just swipe to the right and press on e-commerce. Once that is done, just wait until everything loads in here and select a template like winter clothing, for example. Now you can just simply wait until it loads in. You can choose your avatar here. And once it is done, press on edit script. Now you can edit the script by URL. You can enter here the URL. You can also do it by text, for example, by voice or by website, depending how you want it. In any case, you can just write it down, press on continue, select the voice here or create your own voice. You can use it your own voice. I'm just going to select an already existing one, press on confirm, and now press on continue. You can select video footage that you have and press on import down below, and you are pretty much done. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.